I am Dr. Darryl Thompson from Better Life Chiropractic.ca, and I'm just sitting here hanging out with my dream board. And I just wanted to kind of share with you something that I just found hugely valuable for me. And, you know, getting motivated to do things is, for me, very difficult. And willpower is a very, very difficult thing too, and it's tough to kind of hold this willpower, like I got to do something or whatever it might be, and it's difficult for me. And so one of the things that I found out was that what can motivate you is running away from something. In other words, you get so sick and tired of where you are that you're willing to do anything to get where you want to go. Whether it's, say, I'm so sick and tired of looking in the mirror and seeing this extra 15 pounds, I'm going to go to the gym and I'm going to work out. Or I'm so sick and tired of, my job that I'm going to go look for another job or whatever. And those are great. But the problem is, and that can get you going, but the problem is it peters out as soon as you start getting a little bit closer to it, because then that motivation drops again. And so willpower doesn't work for me. And I find that with new patients, they come in, they're just in so much pain, they want to be out of pain. And as soon as the pain starts to drop, then it's very difficult sometimes to get them going when there's just so much more. Like they could actually become healthy. They could actually be more vibrant and more alive in their life. And so that's about vision. That's about going after something bigger, and it's about chasing and going after something rather than running away from something. And I find there's just way more power in that. I met some very wise people, and they said, get yourself a dream board. And a dream board, and that's what this is right here. My wife and I, Carrie, we just started putting all sorts of things that we really wanted to see happen this year and next year and maybe a few years down the road, and I had it kind of portable that I can put on my kitchen table and just hang out with it. I've got my journal here that I can, whatever ideas come up to mind. I've got my schedule book that I can, if there's something that I can't do right away, I can schedule it into my calendar. I've got my phone, obviously, that I can make a call or something, and I set a couple hours a week that I just hang out with my dream board. And the dream board just can be anything. Like it can be, people that you want to hang out with, just whatever sparks you. We've got physical goals in there. We've got some business things that we want to do with our company, but bringing more miracles in there. We've got some trips we want to do. There's just all sorts of stuff that, just motivates me and gets me excited. And I heard, I read in the Bible, it says that without vision, the people will perish. And there's so many people that live their lives, and at the end of their lives, their dreams are still in their heart. And it's such a sad thing. And I thought, I just want to go after dreams. It's just so much more fun. It's like every day is another step towards the dream. So if I can give you any advice on really making your life more exciting, get a dream board. Hang out with it once a week. Have it up on the wall that you can just look at it and say, this is awesome. This is where we're going. And just go for it. And I promise you, your whole life will completely transform.